Hi Aquarius, welcome to your only exclusive psychic reading. Okay, so only intuitive, no cards, and I'm going to focus on what the message I'm seeing, and I'm going to convey you step by step. Okay, follow on Instagram SSHELLSSA Shells Running. If you like this reading, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe it, and every information is down in the description box. Something is here burning. Actually, there is flame beneath the surface. Something is like preparation is there, like something is cooking. Okay, that's what I saw, and it's cooking, and it's something is slow. Like all I could see the flames. There may be fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or this may be just the beginning of passionate love connection. Okay, that's what I see. I also see like it will take approx 2 weeks to be prepared, to get prepared. Like this is what the cuisine is all about. This is what it takes time. Like, okay, so as in symbolism, they might be trying to give the message that whatever is right now happening between you and this person, if this is about the connection, this is probably or a possibility of getting prepared and will be baked, or whatever the process is about the cooking time, and then it is going to be served. I see like both of you are in flames, both of you are missing one another, but on top you don't see anything. It's plain surface. You're curbing that fire that no one sees it. You're curbing that flame that no one sees it. It is about expression. It is about something that you are denying, or it is something that you're not possible ready to convey to the person. Or at least what I see here is that you are just taking some pan or something and just putting that on, like so that disperses, like it spreads. So it is something like you're trying to manage here your feelings or expression here. Okay, however this is spreading, so it's going to be ultimately make that pan hot, whatever the surface is, it's going to. And then you have to cook something, which means you have to express, or they have to express. I see footsteps. Here footsteps. I can see someone walking. I see someone is wearing sports shoes, dark gray color. Maybe they are around you, maybe they live with you, maybe they are coming to meet you. Maybe if that's not the thing, it's like someone who is very comfortable, or someone who is real comfortable to be with. I see like you're very comfortable with this person. However, this may be you wearing sports shoes. It doesn't matter whether you're male or female energy. People are more about having comfort zone. I see here comfort zone between you both when you talk. I see when they are around, it's not that you're not like this. You're not cautious, okay? Or you're not conscious. You're like, you're fine. If this person is not with you, the footsteps might be about talks and the texts, the notifications, the bell, and all that stuff that might be happening. This person might be trying to give you comfort, or you might be trying to give comfort to the person. They're holding something in hand, which is like a rolled document or paper or page, or maybe this is their work. Maybe this is about something that they hold in hand, like documents. So maybe it's about some newspaper. They may be writing somewhere. They may be journalist, reporter, however this fits you. Maybe they work in some TV station or something, maybe entertainment industry. If that is what I'm seeing, they are in hurry always. Okay, they have something wrapped and they're holding it tight. Okay, because they can't lose it, because it is important, of course, related to work or something, so they can't lose it. Okay, they're in hurry. They're in hurry, but that doesn't mean that they don't want to talk with you. They want, and that's what they're doing. even if you don't see this person, I am possible explaining or featuring that person, right? I don't know. This person, most probably, if this is a male energy on the other side and you are connecting with that, they are connecting with you, and this person is always on the run, and their life is about shifts and everything possible, okay, possible, and they are holding documents. They may end up giving you or sending you message while they are en route, while they're working, while they're traveling. Okay, all I see this, okay? If this is happening, if this is the way I am seeing things, then you're going to explore more, because also when I am seeing, of course, the flame and everything, I am also viewing the kitchen area kind of energy, because there's where the simmer is and everything, the gas and everything, of course. Maybe they're having certain food with you, or they're planning on having foods with you. Maybe they'll prepare something, or they prepared. Okay, we're going to stop. Okay, that's what they're showing me. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Let me know if it resonates. Bye.